Welcome to the course. My name is Alex Kinedinik and I'll be your instructor. I sincerely appreciate the time and trust that you're putting into me in this course, and I'll do whatever I can to make sure that you get a lot of value from the course, starting with
This video is brought to you by Pies Academy.
I make sure to answer 99% of student questions within 24 hours, and I regularly hold office hours where you and I can actually have a one-on-one conversation at one point and talk about how to get publicity for your business, and I can give you personalized advice for your unique situation. Now let me tell you a little bit about how this course is structured and my background. So I've been getting publicity from different sources for many years now, but for my book launches, for product launches, I've been getting on podcasts, radio shows, and in this course, I show you how to do all of that. Now, to do this, you really need to hire like a publicist, usually, and that's like $5,000 a month minimum. But I'll show you how to do it all on your own for free without too much of a time investment. I'll show you how to get on radio shows, interviewed on podcasts. There was like a year where I got on 50 different podcast and radio show interviews, literally almost one a week, boom, boom, boom. And some of them were quite large, and that was years ago, and people are still listening to those podcasts today and emailing me. So I'll show you how I've gotten mentioned by sites like Mashable, even CBS News, and really large publication. Now it's not common that you'll get that every day. You're not going to get mentioned in Mashable every day. That's really hard, but I'll walk you through everything, how to, and especially how to position your business from day one to be more publicity worthy, to be more noteworthy, to get the attention of journalists, so you don't even have to reach out as much. And when you do reach out, they'll be very compelled and interested in what you're doing, because I'll start you off with just the right positioning to get attention, and then it will be easy to get attention for your business from then on. Get interviewed, get mentioned, really stand out, and get a lot of traffic, because publicity is amazing for branding, because everybody in your industry reads the publications in which you're going to be mentioned, so they'll know about you. And also the other effect of it is that when you get mentioned in these gigantic publications and sometimes get linked from them to your site, it will boost your SEO like no SEO agency can do for you. These are some of the most amazing links, like for example Mashable or CBS News. Those very same links, those are nearly impossible to get, and no SEO freelancer is gonna be able to even come close. So there are so many benefits to this course, so I'm really excited to get into it. I hope you're excited. Let's get started.